Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, 191 for Monday, 21st of July, 2025. As always, you're very welcome here, but just remember that you're always responsible for your own trading decisions. One of the other ones that are releasing earnings reports are after the close on Wednesday is Tesla. Okay, I don't think I need to tell people who Tesla are these days. Kind of the way I look at this here is, this has been quite a volatile work, over the last year or so, I'd say. There was the fantastic, run up here in terms of the run up to the presidential election last year. And then we had the kind of the rollover running into the sort of Liberation Day. And really, I would say we were pivoting around that kind of 200 period moving average, the green 200 period moving average there. Yeah, we did pop, but it has not filled its way through. Okay, it's not followed through in the way many of the other stocks have. I think a lot of that is some of the kind of, let's say, the kind of almost like the media shenanigans that we see going on between Trump and Musk. Also, the people trying to understand what, if any, impact the tariffs would have on Tesla in terms of the car production, and also I think investors just wanting Musk to basically focus on his company rather than getting his finger stuck in politics. All of that has kind of, as I said, have had a play on why Tesla hasn't flowed as high as many of its other tech competitors, etc. And I would look at that at the moment. At the moment, where I see that as we're coiling up. All right, we're coiling up with a support level of $300 there, and so people are going to be waiting to say, okay, is that number's good? What does Musk have to say for himself? All right, what does he have to say about it? Is that enough to basically sort of reignite some love for Tesla to basically break this kind of almost like this triangle and start driving its way back up towards 400, or do sentiment sort of is that, and then basically not only does 300 go, but I actually think we'd probably move back down towards that weekly 200 period moving average. So we'll be looking at the moment. Price is above the averages. Okay, price is above the averages. So you'd be saying that at the moment, the bias is to the bullish side. It's a question of do the numbers support that? Okay, when we see them, in which case that might just give it a little bit of a bump higher.